In this video, I'll guide you through how to authenticate a domain in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the verification record that services like Google or Microsoft need in order to confirm that you own your domain. Let's start from your GoDaddy account dashboard. First, head to your domain portfolio. This is the section where all of your domains are listed. If you're not already there, log into GoDaddy, then look for the area labeled Domains or My Products and open your domain list. Once you see the domain you want to verify, you're in the right place. Next, you need to access the DNS settings for that domain. Find the domain you're trying to authenticate and look for a button or link labeled DNS. It's usually right next to the domain name in your portfolio view. Click that DNS button to open your DNS management page. This is where all your DNS records like A records, snames, and TXT records are stored. On the DNS management page, you'll be adding a new TXT record. Look for an option that says Add New Record, or something similar, and click it. A form will appear that lets you choose the type of record you want to create. In the type field, select TXT. TXT records are commonly used for verification with services such as Google Search Console, Microsoft, or other email and web service providers. Selecting TXT tells GoDaddy what kind of information you're about to add. Now, in the name or host field, enter the AT symbol, @ In GoDaddy, using @ represents the root of your domain, meaning it applies to your main domain without any subdomain. If your verification instructions specifically mention using the root domain, @ is what you want here. Next is the value field. This is where you paste the exact verification code provided by the service you're trying to connect. It might look like a long string, starting with something like Google Site Verification, followed by an equal sign and some characters, or it might start with MS and a series of numbers and letters. Carefully copy the entire code from the service's instructions and paste it into the value field. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. For TTL or time to live, you can leave it as the default, usually set to 1 hour. This controls how long servers cache the record, and the default setting is perfectly fine for verification purposes. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new TXT record will be added to the DNS list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, but often they update fairly quickly. Finally, go back to the service that gave you the verification code and find the Verify button. Click Verify to let that service check your new TXT record. If everything is set up correctly, your domain should now be authenticated.